Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can mock the location programmatically using JavaScript. For that, guys, just let me add a file. I'll just name that file as mock location.html file. Let me open that file. So I've taken two buttons here, mock location button and restore location button. So whatever the location you want to mock, we can mock here by using this button. And the script, I will try to add the script here. Let's say you want to mock the location of London, UK. So you can take this latitude and longitude. Let me copy this. So latitude is 51 degrees 31. You can directly copy this. So now I'm just adding this location. So I want to mock the location of UK, London. I'm just adding the location of this. London, you can mock to any location as you want. So I'm just adding two things. So in the browser, we have a navigator. The navigator has a method called geolocation. You can get the current geolocation and we can watch the position. This is the original geolocation which I'm there, the original location. And if you want to mock, you can mock like this. Let me add a function now, function to mock. So this is the function which I have added. So navigator got current geolocation if you want to mock. So this is the entire function which you can add. We can add the latitude, we can add the longitude, accuracy, everything, and date stamp. I want to put date dot now. Okay. Now we have overridden the current get locate current location. Now we'll try to override the watch position. Okay. So let me override the watch position. So this is the overriding of the watch position. Just as adding the console log that geolocation methods are now mocked. So once we have mocked it, okay. So if you want to restore, how we can restore? Okay, let's say scripts are here, right? Okay. Let's say if you want to restore, let's see how we can restore this. If you want to restore geolocation, once you put the restore button for the navigator.geolocation to get the current position, to get the watch position, it will be restored. Now what we can do, we can add the listeners too, so that we can take from the get element by ID. So whatever the ID we have given from button, we can have a click functionality to restore, click functionality to mock. Okay. So let me add this also. So I'll add everything in the description. So one more point we can add after this. Just let me add this to display the mock location. So in this you can add this one. Also the restored location we can get it from here. So we'll get the geolocation methods are restored to original and the restored latitude and longitude also we can print it here. So allow this time. So now mock the location. You can see the location has now been mocked. And if you click on restore location, the locations have been restored. So to the original thing. Okay. So now this is the way we can mock the location and the restore the location originally. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.